What's up, guys? Coming at you with another video. Okay, so today is actually a special day. I finally put the Hawk all back together, and it is really, it's just really nerve-wracking. You know, I've taken this car completely apart, put it back together and everything, and let's see, in about maybe 5 or so minutes, I'm gonna be starting it for the very first time. So right now I'm at my parents' house. My girlfriend's over there by the car. I'm in the street because I'm nervous as hell. And you know, I don't vlog in front of people, so. But yeah, soon to be. So I'm gonna get you guys mounted on the tripod, and we're gonna do kind of a live feed. So we'll see you on there.
Just saying.
Okay, you got 3.
Don't tell them we're just priming it right now.
Hi,
Valerie, you mind taking a look up under? Or someone look under, someone look over?
I'll look over. I guess I'll go under.
Alright, fuel line has been fixed. Making sure nothing's leaking.
Ready?
Oh,
Yep.
God.
Yep, ready.
Tony, just do it a couple more times.
That's what I'm doing. Ready?
Yeah.
Good.
Contact.
Good. Anyway, we're ready to hook this back up.
You didn't hear any ticks, no knocks?
Nope.
Nah.
Sounded normal.
Thank you, Charlotte.
Is Mark on?
Is Mark on yet? Because he called before.
We're ready.
Oh, God.
Ready to fire.
Oh, geez. Hold on. I'm stepping back. Get the fire extinguisher ready. Nothing in the way, Rags.
No, we're good.
No, not that I can tell down here anyway.
Yeah, check that one more time for me.
Right there, Ralph. Do we have a fire extinguisher?
You're good. Oh, I'm so nervous.
What, Tony?
Alright.
I'm scared.
You got this. Don't worry about it.
Hey, Tony, just
Whatever
make sure you
happens,
keep your eye on the temperature and the oil.
Take that lid off the coolant thing.
The what? This?
Yeah, take that off.
Okay, that's off.
Alright.
I'm scared.
Alright.
Here we go.
Come on.
Whoa.
Nope.